This video will be a review of the Victure PC420b camera set. Alright, so this video will be going over the PC420b camera set. Little open box, show you how to set it up and a quick review on it. In the description there will be a link to this camera on Amazon. I greatly appreciate it if you would purchase using that if you're inclined to purchase this camera. I have reviews on other Victure cameras as well. Open this up and let's see what's in the box here. Okay, so first of all is the user manual. Inside the user manual is this QR code right here. You can scan that to download the app that will be required. And the app is the IPC360 app. And I'll show you a little bit more about that in a minute. And looks like we got a little thank you card here. Here's the cameras. B set being that there are two cameras in it. So there's one of them. Takes a USB cable, which should be an accessory package right here. It plugs in right here. There you go. Peel it off. And here's the second camera. And these are identical. Okay, makes everything out of that part. Here's the accessories box. Okay, and in the accessories box there's a USB cable. Power plug. A little template so you'll know how to drill out to mount these if you're needing to mount them. Complete with screws and anchors for mounting. And another USB cable. And another plug. That's good. It's actually probably wise to connect these one at a time. In fact, that's what I'm going to do. We'll connect them one at a time. That way you know exactly which camera it's being talked to. There's a QR code you can scan to download the app. I've already downloaded the app. Okay, so you have to create an account, which I've already done. And of course, I'm not going to show you all my particulars on that, but you have to log in, create an account using your email address. Okay, so to add a new camera, first make sure it's plugged in and the light is blinking here. Then hit plus. This is a little reminder that it absolutely will not work with 5G, only 2.4. Hit camera. On this screen, you have the option of Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. On this particular camera there is no Ethernet cable available. For some of the other cameras there are, and of course check my reviews, my YouTube channel for other reviews for other cameras. If you're interested, hit Wi-Fi, make sure your volume is turned up and that light is blinking. Hit next. Then you have to punch in your Wi-Fi password. Hit next and immediately it'll start talking. And here in a minute you should hear like a doorbell sound. It should go like a ding dong. There's the ding dong. Okay, they hit next. And here in a second we should hear a notification that it is ready. there we go. Camera's ready. So it has now been added. Now the next step will be to name it. This is the second camera I have like this actually. So I'm going to put camera 2. And it'd probably be a good idea if you have more than one of these to go ahead and label somehow. Maybe on the back or whatever. So you don't get them mixed up. So I'm going to hit OK. And camera 2 is now online. Push that. Oh, turn that off. Okay, so there we go. It's now set up. This does 1080p quality and it looks very good. As you can see from this sample right here, it's got a nice video quality. If the infrared sensor is blocked, or actually when it's in the dark, it'll go into infrared mode, which will look something like this right here. And it sees nicely in the dark actually. You can see, maybe see the little LEDs in there for infrared. So it's very good video quality for both regular light and in the dark. Highly recommend this camera. So let's quickly go ahead and add the second camera here too. There we go. Okay, so again, wait for the LED to start blinking. And then once it starts blinking, we can press, well, I can go ahead and add, I guess. Press this button to add it. Okay, now I've got the blink. And again, 2.4G. Hit next. Make sure your volume's up on the phone. Hit Wi-Fi. Then we're going to hit next. And punch in my Wi-Fi. This one's talking now. There's the ding dong. Wait for that to pop up. Tell it yes, we have that. Come on now. There we go. Hit next. And should get the notification that the camera is ready. And after that, we'll name it. And I'm going to go ahead and name this one camera 3. Okay. And now we have camera 3 ready. You click on that. And boom. There we go. Oh, we'll turn it off. Okay. So a quick test of the camera. I set it outside. And just to show you what you can do here, you can turn on and off the volume. Turn it up. There's not much going on outside right now, so you can't really hear anything. Take a snapshot by using that button there. Or you can record. Press record, and I'll just let it run for a little bit. And that will save the video to your mobile device. Files. Internal storage, I believe. And there should be IPC360. Oh, hold on. Oh, it's backwards. Okay, into the IPC360 folder. And there's where the videos are. So just go ahead and hit that, let it play. There we go. This is the actual, what you'll be listening to here will be the actual mic from the camera. Picks up very well. Not a whole lot going on outside right now, so you're not going to hear much other than just some background wind. So that's how you can find the file after it's been recorded. So yes, I think these cameras are great value, very good for babysitter cam, baby crib cam, back cam, or maybe just security around your house. Again, if you're interested in purchasing it, feel free to click down there on the link in the description and I'll get a little bit of commission off of it. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching. Quit.